And we're getting a big piece of breaking news. This is to do with the anticipatory bail plea hearing that was going on in the Rohini court. Now we are learning that there has been a big blow to the Luthra brothers as the Rohini court has turned down the anticipatory bail plea that has been filed by the Luthras. So no relief for the Luthras as they head back to the country after the Thai authorities nabbed them, detained them, and in conjunction with the Indian authorities, now that entire deportation process is underway from Phuket to India, and then there will be a transit remand where they'll be brought in to Goa. And meanwhile, the Rohini court was looking at the anticipatory bail plea that they had already presented before the Delhi court, and now this is what we are hearing. No respite for the Luthra brothers, no bail, no anticipatory bail that has been granted to the Luthras. So a big blow there for the Luthras as their anticipatory bail plea has been rejected by the Delhi Rohini court. So this is the latest that we are bringing for our viewers. Big development that's coming in from the Rohini court. The anticipatory bail plea has been rejected. Remember, the grounds on which they had filed this anticipatory bail plea was medical grounds. They'd also mentioned that they had gone to Thailand, to Phuket for work. And then later, their counsel had been claiming that there is a witch hunt that has been going against the brother. They also claimed threat to life. They'd also cited that medical reason that one of the brothers suffers from epilepsy, and that's why they need that assurance and that anticipatory bail once they return to the country. My colleague Ananya, with all of those updates coming in from Rohini court, big blow there, Ananya, for the Luthras.
Absolutely, it's a big blow to the Luthra brothers as far as their anticipatory bail in the Goa knighthood case is concerned. And very clearly, at this point, the court has turned down their bail plea. This is the Rohini court in the national capital that has turned down the bail plea. Though the detailed reason as to why this bail has been denied is something we'll have to wait and watch for very, very shortly when the detailed order copy comes out. But the latest update, as far as from the Rohini court is concerned, is that the bail application of these two brothers who were running this club in Romeo Lane has been turned down by, in fact, the Delhi's Rohini court. And the only option left with them is to now approach a higher court. But that too also seems very insignificant because already an Interpol notice is out and they might be brought back to India very, very soon. And we'll have to wait and watch as to how things pan out then, because that is something, that makes it very, very crucial as far as things are concerned. And very clearly we'll see as to what happens next in this particular case.
Right, absolutely. What all transpired before this verdict came out of the Rohini court, Ananya? What was the exact thing that the court said, the observations that were made, the key ones?
Well, the court only came out and said that, the bail application is dismissed. We'll have to wait for the detailed order copy to come out as to know as to what the court has felt. But as per my experience, as far as things are concerned, the court must have felt the investigation is also at a premature stage and the custodial interrogation might be necessary, and hence this anticipatory bail could not be granted. In fact, they were not even in India when this incident had actually taken place. So all of their submissions that, they would be cooperating with the agencies and anything else is something that must have been
so essentially, Ananya, they fleeing the country has really not gone down in their favor. They've already anticipated that such a punitive action has been reserved for them. Possibly a tip-off also was given that there is a lookout circular that will be issued against them. They decided to scoot from India, flee the country, and that the court must have looked at, and that's why this bail plea has been denied to the Luthras.
Well, absolutely. It could be one of the reasons why this bail plea has been, turned down. Though not preempting anything, we will wait for the order copy to exactly know as to what the court has said while turning down this anticipatory bail application. This bail application in which Luthra brothers very categorically argued that this is a bail, this is a bail that should be granted to them because they fear that they will be lynched as far as they enter the country.
Right. About those claims that Luthra Brothers Council has been making, that there is a threat to life for the Luthra brothers, and all of those aspects were made a part of that bail plea. Nothing really cut any ice with the court, Ananya.
Well, absolutely. Nothing seems to have cut the light with. In fact, the court, as far as the Luthra brothers are concerned, And very clearly, it was argued by the Goa police that it is a complete case of negligence that has been carried out by these two brothers. In fact, the licenses were also not renewed since 2024. And that is something, that has also gone against these two brothers. But the real question is what were the authorities also doing? So we
Yes.
have to wait for the detailed order copy to come out. And interestingly, when these brothers come back, what happens next?
In fact, the Goa government's council coming down heavily on the Luthra brothers, also, in fact, flagging several of the discrepancies when it is about their property in Goa. We're just not talking about that one property that has been gutted in the fire. The other property also that had seen that bulldozer action because there was an illegal extension that was made to the property in the eco-sensitive zone. All of those things really compounded towards this verdict coming out of the Rohini court, Ananya?
Well, absolutely. Everything would have compiled up as far as this verdict is concerned. But definitely, Priya, another question that arises is that, and we have seen it in various instances, whether it is of this case or if we talk about that coaching center fire that took place in the national capital earlier this year. The only question is that, these demolition notices are sent out as soon as these properties or, these licenses issues come up. But what are the authorities really doing? Why do these things come up only after a tragedy actually takes place? Are there not good competent authorities that are working their way out or not? And that is a question that needs to be asked as well. But at this particular juncture, we'll have to wait for the detailed order copy to come out as to know exactly what has transpired in the minds of the judge when he has denied this anticipatory bail plea filed by the two brothers.
Right, Ananya, thank you so much for those details. Big development that has emerged from the Rohini court in the national capital as the anticipatory bail plea that was filed by the Luthra brothers has been denied by the court. This is the latest development that we are bringing for our viewers as we go into a very short break.